Alright, now we are going to move to the rigging part. Yay! Yeah, we're going to use the simple rigging in here, so yeah, let's get started. First thing first, I'm going to add armature a single bone, okay, and move to this little guy over here. I know what it's called. Check the in front, and then I'm going to use this stick. Maybe B bone, because yeah. Now I'm just going to use the stick. Alright, we go to edit mode and move it over here. And it's this one right here, and add another one. Alright, so we're going to activate this X button over here, and then press Shift E. Shift E. Okay, and then select this bone, press Alt P, and disconnect bone. Now we move it over here and place it like this. Alright, and extrude it again, like this. Okay, so now we are going to duplicate this one, and for the leg part, okay. Then extrude it over here, and then extrude it again. Okay, like this. Okay, now I'm going to press Ctrl P over here and disconnect the bone. Okay, so we have this one, and press Ctrl Tab and move to pose mode, and then I'm going to Shift select this bone and Ctrl Shift C and select the inverse kinematic, and we go to the bone constraint over here and change the chain length to 2, like this. Alright, I'm sorry. We go to edit mode again and Ctrl P, and we clear the parent. So yeah, now we can move it. We do the same to the right leg over here, and Ctrl Shift C and select the inverse kinematic, and the chain length set to 2. Alright, okay. And now we are going to set the parent of each object over here to the bones. Alright, so this one, 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 and also this one and this one. We are going to set the parent to the torso bone over here. Select the bone and then Ctrl Tab and select this one, and Ctrl P and select bone. So whenever I move this bone, these objects are going to follow. Okay, and now I'm going to apply the mirror here and select this and Control P, selection. So we separate these objects and then apply the mirror again and select this one, P, selection, apply mirror, P, selection, apply the mirror, P, selection, this one too, apply the mirror, P, selection, apply the mirror, P, selection, alright, now we select this shoulder and this ball over here and this one and this one, no, maybe just this one, and we select the bone and Control Tab, select this bone, Control P, and then bone. Alright, now for this one, this, select the bone, select the lower arms, and Control P, select bone. Alright, select this. We do the same on the right side of the arms. So this one, Control P, bone, then this one also, Control P, bone. Okay, now for the head. Okay, the head, we're going to select all of them and then select this head bone, Control P, press bone. Yeah, like this. Now for the leg, we do the same. We apply the mirror and separate the object. P, selection, P, or maybe you can just use the loose part. P, loose part, like this. P, loose part, no, not this one, P, selection. Alright, now we have this, P, selection. Alright, now we have this, we can attach it to the bone. Over here, Control P, bone, Control P, bone, then this one, Control P, bone, Control P, bone, then this one, Control P, bone. Alright, now all of them is fine. Alright, it's done. Now we can animate it and then render it to pixel style.